At least 6 people have lost their lives and more than 50 others were critically injured after a stampede broke out during the annual Jatra or the procession at the Shirgaon temple in Goa on Friday. Now, Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant visited hospitals and met with the victims. He also showed all help to the victims and has ordered a probe into the incident. Meanwhile, all government programs have been cancelled for 3 days. He also said that initial probes suggest overcrowding led to the stampede. Remember, over 100 security personnel were deployed and monitoring was done via drones. Prime Minister Modi also spoke to the Goa Chief Minister and has assured all support to victims. Let's listen in to Pramod Sawant on the incident.
खबर मिलते ही मैं खुद होके वहाँ से निकला। हमारे पूरे पुलिस साइट पे थे, पुलिस पूरे कंट्रोल ले चुके थे एक्चुअली। जिन लोगों को शिफ्ट किया तो शिफ्ट हॉस्पिटल में लाने से पहले ही 6 लोगों की डेथ हो चुकी थी। जो हर साल वहाँ पे जत्रा होती है, 50,000 से ज़्यादा क्राउड हर साल वहाँ पे अग्नि दिव्य कुंड से जाने के लिए वहाँ पे लोग आते हैं, जत्रा में देवी का दर्शन लेने के आते हैं। टेम्पल कमेटी और पुलिस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हमेशा के लिए वहाँ पे अच्छा सा एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव फोर्स रख के सभी कंट्रोल करते हैं, लेकिन ये इंसिडेंट जो हुआ दुखद घटना है। मैं जिनके डेथ हो गई है उनके प्रति दुख व्यक्त करता हूँ।
Let's now go across to my colleague Radhika to get more details. Radhika, help us understand what really led up to the stampede on Friday. As we understand now, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has also met with the victims. What's the latest?
That's right. As to what exactly led to the stampede, that is a matter of investigation. That is something that is being ascertained, which is why Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has categorically stated that an inquiry is underway. Collector and North SP are conducting investigations to understand what really caused. Of course, they are taking statements of witnesses, eyewitnesses as well as victims to understand what really caused panic situation. The fact remains that there were at least about 1,000 police personnel, including home guards, SIs, PSIs, Deputy SP level officers who were deployed across the festival area, across North Goa during the procession as well as temple fair. And there were also aerial drones that were deployed at the time to conduct aerial surveillance of the area as well. So there was, immense security at the time of the festival, because this is a revered festival that happens in North Goa every year. More than 30,000 devotees strong flock around this temple in order to be a part of the festivities, and that's what was witnessed last evening as well. At about 4:30 a.m. is when the stampede broke out. There is a bonfire event that happens. Around the bonfire, people actually step on burning embers as well. These are all part of the temple rituals where thousands of people really participate. There are people from not just Goa but also from Maharashtra, Karnataka and other parts of the country as well who had flocked the temple area. What really caused the panic at around 4:30 a.m.? Was there any sort of fire situation? Was there any sort of rumor being spread, or was there overcrowding which couldn't be managed by the police at the time, is something that is a matter of investigation. But very, very unfortunate, the stampede leading to at least 6 people losing their lives and over 30 injured. In fact, now Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has confirmed that 50 people are injured, of which a few are critical. But probe is underway, all the assistance being provided to the injured at this point. Investigation will ascertain as to what exactly caused this stampede, but all the assistance being provided at this point. And as you already mentioned, yes, some of the government events have been cancelled for the next 3 days, and the priority is to ensure that those who are injured, especially those who are critically injured, are taken care of and all the medical assistance is provided to them.